Are you married, single, divorced, shacking, racking, or contemplating getting into a relationship? In my many years of counseling with individuals, it is clear that if ever there was a need for assistance, it would be in the area of relationships. There are many possible reasons for the great need, but for the vast majority of individuals, finding that help has been difficult, if not impossible. And so it goes without saying that relationships can be difficult. Many have been hurt, abandoned, rejected, and devastated. We're excited to announce that you can now take part in a course that offers techniques in healing, avoidance, recovery, and direction. Through a revolutionary concept that we call a course shop, a combination workshop and course, you can experience the atmosphere of a live workshop, which means that you have at your disposal all of the very rich dialogue as if you were there. This course is aimed at everyone who is either in a relationship, just came out of, or currently in a bad relationship, or who is contemplating getting into a relationship. We've entitled this course the H.A.R.D Relationship Workshop. H.A.R.D, of course, being an acronym for healing, avoidance, recovery, and direction. The course can be enjoyed in two formats: CDs, which includes all sessions with audio recording of the live workshop, or two, take the course online by registering on our website shown at the bottom of your screen. We guarantee that you will receive valuable information that will get you to the point of better relationships. Through our many years of working with couples, however, we realize that some relationships require some one-on-one attention. So we also offer pastoral counseling if you think that you need that service. See our website for this service if interested. Help has finally arrived. Even if you have a great relationship, this course or workshop can show you ways to keep it that way. Don't need help yourself? This course contains great information for your family members or friends who just can't see or won't see that they are in trouble. You could offer it to them as a gift or refer them to us. Registration for the course has begun at the release of this video, so you can register now. The online class via Zoom video conference begins the week of January 10th as we launch our New Year, New You 22 campaign. You will notice that there are two other courses that will be offered on other days of the week for your enlightenment as well. I look forward to having each of you join us. You will not be disappointed. If interested in the online course, send me an email at the address shown at the bottom of your screen to reserve your spot, or scan the QR code at the end of this video, which will take you to our website to register. Have questions? Feel free to call me, 214-202-7968. All of my contact information is on your screen. Finally, if you are a minister or church leader viewing this video, let me say thank you for taking the time to do so. This course, by the way, would be a great way to get your members focused and engaged. Please call me or email me so that we can discuss options and opportunities to be a blessing to God's people. I look forward to hearing from each of you. My phone number again is 214-202-7968. Please leave me a message and I will get back with you as soon as possible. Thank you. May God bless you. Take care.